In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively configure caching on your website using Cloudflare. If you're a website owner or manage web properties, you'll likely want to ensure that your site not only loads swiftly, but handles traffic efficiently. Leveraging caching with Cloudflare can significantly enhance your website's performance by speeding up load times and reducing server load. To get started, head over to the Cloudflare website. If you haven't signed up yet, you can easily create an account by following their straightforward instructions. For those of you who already have a Cloudflare account, just log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard with a list of domains you manage. Select the domain you want to optimize. After selecting your domain, you'll find yourself on the dashboard for that specific site. Here, look for the caching section on the navigation menu. It's typically located toward the middle of the options. Caching is a crucial aspect of web management, as it involves storing parts of your website on various servers around the world, so users can access these parts quickly without contacting your primary server every time. This process not only improves page load times, but can also conserve resources and reduce your site's overall bandwidth usage. Moving forward, within the caching section, find the Cache Rules area. This is where you can define how Cloudflare caches your website content. Click on Create Rule to proceed with setting up your cache preferences. You'll then see an option titled Cache Everything. By selecting this, you're instructing Cloudflare to cache all types of content on your website, not just static files like images or style sheets. This approach is beneficial because it means more of your site's content is ready to go when visitors request it, decreasing load times and enhancing user experience. As you finish setting up the cache rule, remember that while Cache Everything can greatly reduce server requests, it could also lead to stale content if your pages frequently change or receive updates. To mitigate this, you might want to pair your cache settings with proper expiration and purge settings to ensure that your users always receive the most up-to-date content. Cloudflare provides robust options to control cache durations, so take advantage of those to match your specific needs. Once you've created and saved your cache rule, your work is done. Cloudflare will automatically begin applying the new caching rules to your specified domain. Keep an eye on your website's analytics and feedback to ensure that the updates have the desired effect, without inadvertently causing issues for your visitors. If necessary, adjust the caching configurations and test as needed. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to improve your website's performance with Cloudflare caching. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to subscribe for more web performance tips.